Alright, hi everyone, welcome to More Content Chefs. This week, we're going to be doing mozzarella stuffed turkey meatballs. Now, the trick with turkey meatballs is you're going to want to keep them well seasoned, and that's what you're going to see me doing here. As you can see, I am pouring in some Parmesan cheese, and I'm putting in a lot. That's going to be about a cup and a half of Parmesan cheese for a pound of turkey meat. May seem like a lot, but turkey meat is not very flavorful, so we're going to want to use more seasoning than we normally would. I want to stress that more than anything. And so here we go with some pepper. As you see, I'm just kind of pouring that in. As you can see in the background, that's oregano right there. I've already cut up cheese and grated some mozzarella cheese. Go ahead and cube your mozzarella cheese and grate your mozzarella cheese beforehand so you don't have to do that later. Still pouring in, that's onion powder. We've also poured in some garlic powder. You see a lot of onion powder, a lot of garlic powder. As far as onion powder and garlic powder goes, I'm going to say that's probably about a quarter cup of each. Go ahead and pour in some basil. I season this a lot because, well, like I said, turkey just is not that flavorful. So here's something interesting. I pour in olive oil. That's 3 tablespoons of olive oil. That's going to keep the meat moist and also help it to cook. And then we're just going to mix this all together. This is going to be a handful of salt, big handful of salt, just dumped in there. And yeah, speckles away. And then there we go. Just go ahead and mix this in. Get it well incorporated. It will get nice and stuck together. You won't see any more of those dry or yellow bits once it's mixed, fully incorporated. So just go ahead and mix. By the way, you're going to want to make my Keto alfredo sauce. The video footage for that is not in this video, but you can find it on my channel at More Content Please MCP. Go ahead and like and subscribe there for more. Alright, so mixing away. And now we're going to stuff the meatballs. So basically, as you can see here, I just kind of flatten it out into a kind of meat pancake and then put the cube of cheese on top and then roll it all around. And so the key is to not make the cube of cheese too big because you don't want your meatball to be too big. Okay, so you get a nice little size meatball there.
Yeah, maybe
and just put it on the sheet. As you can see, I've already done all that. Now I'm just drenching them in a little bit of olive oil. You don't need a lot, just a little pour over. There we go. Cool. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put some cheese on top of that. Because why not? That really wasn't the plan, to be completely honest, but hey, everyone loves cheese, right? I love cheese anyway. And you can eat that on keto, so here we go. Especially mozzarella. Mozzarella's a really good cheese for you. Very good for the gut. Alright, boom, there it is. Mozzarella meatballs. They're going to go in at about 425, and go ahead and leave those in there for about 15 to 25 minutes. Check at 15 to make sure they're not too overdone. There you go. Make sure to leave that 425, right? And about 15 to 25 minutes, and pour the alfredo sauce on top. And hey, thanks for watching More Content Chefs. We hope to see you again soon. Remember to like and subscribe at